Good morning, Mr. Ridley. Sir, you are charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On December 29th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a disturbance and a weapon at a residence in Harris County, Texas. The officer observed the defendant standing in front of the complainant vehicle, preventing her from driving away. The officer made contact with the complainant, who stated she and the defendant have been in a dating relationship for about 2 years, and the complainant stated she...
A simple argument spirals into a criminal case. Now a young man stands before the judge, facing serious charges. But in this courtroom, the judge isn't just handing out orders. He's delivering a hard reality check.
And the defendant got into an argument in his residence after he mentioned something about her children. The complainant stated she decided to leave and got in her vehicle, where she stated the defendant wanted his belongings out of her car, and the defendant had placed some of the groceries she bought on her car at some point. They were arguing and attempted to break her driver's side window. The complainant stated she rolled down her window to prevent the defendant from breaking her window, and that the defendant reached into her vehicle and struck her in the left side of her face with a closed fist while she was sitting in the driver's seat. The complainant stated the defendant hit her in the left side of her face several times and that she felt pain.
I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case, Mr. Ridley. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm ordering you not to have contact with this person. Do you understand? I will protect every person in my county. If I find that you violate any of these conditions, you become a danger to anyone else, I'm going to lock you up. Do you understand? A protective order has been issued in this case. I would get to know it. If you do something to violate this protective order, like go to the protected individual's house, have any contact with her. If you're in possession of a weapon, the state can and probably will file a violation of protective order against you. It's one of the worst cases you can pick up. Do you understand? So get to know it and don't smoke any dope. Don't use any alcohol. How old are you? What do you do for a living?
I go to school right now.
Where do you go to school?
I was going to Summer Creek High School. My friend enrolled in Houston Kansas Academy.
So what are you doing now? Are you doing nothing with your life?
No, I go to school, but
No. Are you actively enrolled in school? Yes or no?
Actively, no, not right now. But
So that's what's going to happen now. I'm going to provide you a lawyer. You must either get in school full time or get a job full time as part of your bond conditions as well. Do you understand?
not the reason I understand, but the reason I ain't in school, right?
Don't matter. When you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. We need you to do something with your life so that you become something of yourself and with yourself, because you turn 40, 50 years old and you ain't got some kind of education or some kind of trade or some kind of working knowledge, you're going to end up on the street, no money. And this life sucks without money. Do you understand? If you don't believe me, go look in the jails. If you can provide him a lawyer, same thing. Hold on, I'm not done. We'll set out 2 weeks, see where we go on, and then no dope, no alcohol. All the jazz and no weapons. All right, come on.
Go ahead and sign for your reset.
Stephen, you still have Gerard back there, right?
Yes, sir.
I need him one more time.
Lori's back there talking to Rubio. I'll let him
Please,
know.
because we just need to do the enhancement. So, yeah, I need Lori too, sorry.
No problem.
Yeah, so you kick the assault, but we need to keep the theft because that's what makes it. I'm sorry, we have to do the enhancement just to the theft because that's what makes it the actual B. Sorry. Hi.
I'm here on Marvin Opute. You.
Okay, I see it.
I'm here, we're still pending a writ for restitution. I didn't realize that they're still reviewing packets for PTI, so we'll be submitting.
It's 190 days old. We got to get on it like really quick. How long is it going to take?
We can get a packet in within a week.
Done. And then do you guys know about the RIP? How many times you've attempted? It's on Opute, please. Yeah, because it's 190. It should have been, yeah. Tell me about the RIP, please.
We're still working on the risk, but we just understood this one as a wheel witness, not as the first direct involved in the crash. We can get that done right away.
Okay. I'm gonna set it off a week and then he's got to get the packet in. If it's not in by the week, I'm bringing here day after day until he gets it. Okay?
Sure.
Okay. Top of page 17. Thanks. Mr. D.
Approach, please.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I need your wisdom on a matter. I was just appointed to a Miss Jessica Sanford. Mrs. Sanford is the defendant. She was residing with the complaining witness in this case. She has a medical issue that involves where she's going to have surgery. She has some personal implants and stuff that's currently leaking, and without getting it medically taken care of, it could result in infection.
Come up, ma'am.
And I'm trying to get her keys and stuff so that she can have her ID for purpose of hospitalization.
Where is it?
It's with the complaining witness in the case. We have a no contact order. Well, we don't have a no contact. It's just no threat and
No. I did no contact because
no contact.
well, the reason is because they've not been able to, speak to the complaining witness, and I don't know what the complaining witness's wishes are.
Yes, sir.
So until I know that they want to have contact with you, we do no contact. And I do that not just on your case, on every single person's case, because
correct.
I don't know what their wishes are. What if they don't want to have contact with you, right? So until I know, now, if you can make it easier for them to be able to get in contact, and the state can, and they find that it's okay, then I'm all game. But I have to know what their wishes are. So they're going to attempt.
I'm here for my help right now.
I get it, and I never want to do anything to prevent you from getting help. But remember, you can also try to use another friend.
I have nobody here in Texas. I'm not gonna let that contact with anybody.
You can have contact with anyone you want.
When I was in the relationship with
I don't want to talk about the case.
I haven't been allowed.
My only concern is the wishes of the complaining witness. So I can have Alex go out there to try to call now. But if they're sleeping, they're at work, if they're not answering, it may take some time. Perhaps maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Do you mind?
I don't like that. I just, if she has, does she have a number that we can?
I'm sure we can get.
Okay.
Yes, I can provide.
So let's see that you guys get together, see what you can do. If you are able to make contact, see if she's okay with having contact, or we'll go from there. Okay. Hey, guys, one more thing. You guys filed 2 motions in limine on Perechu. Is this a trial case? And then have you spoken with the defense? Morgan,
approached me to put those in your queue Friday, but I don't think they approached you.
yeah,
I'm not sure.
I guess let me see. 254. 2544848.
Okay.
Ricardo, this is your case. Yeah.
I think it's disclosures, no?
No.
No?
No, this is, are we set for trial?
No, I don't.
See it as
That's the one I was
separate.
looking to plea out. He's in custody.
She filed motions for two states motions in limine.
I think they're related to disclosures. I think they were filed at the same time as the disclosure.
Maybe it's done by mistake?
Possibly. I didn't give it much thought because it was just, I think we talked about it, it was just a disclosure issue. We're not heading towards trial now.
Is it true or untrue that you had that prior theft?
True.
Okay, that's all we needed. Thanks. All right, so true.
In this courtroom, excuses don't matter, choices do. One moment of anger can turn into years of consequences. And as the judge made clear, the next decision could change this young man's entire future.